So we've got exactly a week to go until VSCC Prescott, and the car is still in bits. So we've got a fair bit to do. So let's head up to the workshop and crack on with it. So we've still got the rear engine to put back together. That's still in pieces. We've got some rev counters to fit. We've got to bolt check everything, obviously fluids. We're going to run the car on 19-inch wheels. So lots to do. We need a workshop with better access than this. We've got to get a small block Chevy up these steps soon. Those stairs don't get any easier. Let's have a look at some broken bits. So our current thinking is that the rod failed at the bottom there, which took a big lump out of the piston here. This is a piston out of a Triumph TR4, which then broke the bottom of the barrel off here, made this big hole in the crankcase, which we have here, and obviously broke the bottom of the barrel off. Bit like a seismic charge going off.
Experience some difficulty with extraneous noise on this recording. You may hear some traffic noise. Pay no attention.
How are you feeling? Pleased?
Yeah, I don't want to beat my handicap today, so.
How does that feel? You beat your handicap.
Oh yeah,
that wasn't meant to happen, was it?
No, but that's okay.
So what does this mean?
I don't think tomorrow. I think that'll be alright.
Okay.
No, well happy with that. Yeah.
Oh, that's really good. Well done.
The chaos that would be if one of them
Good run.
Right, yeah,
What do you reckon your time is?
that was a 56.01.
56.01.
Pretty much what we did yesterday, but just
Beat the
no, well
handicap.
happy with that, yeah. But yeah, that was awesome. Yeah. Tried the gears a bit more, played around with it a bit more. Just got off the line well, so I think, yeah, brilliant.
So it's been quite a long afternoon.
A lot of stoppages again.
A lot of red flags.
A lot of red flags. I don't know, what is the time? It seems pretty late, so...
They're meant to stop at 5:30, aren't they?
I thought it was 6, but...
I've been told 5:30.
Julian lost a little bit of time over his time this morning. Away he goes to Wellesley, engine at each end.
It was okay, a little bit slower, but
slower.
that's okay. It was damp under off the S's, under the trees. It was a little bit damp, so you know, the object to the exercise was to just have a chill day, wasn't it? So yeah, it's been great. Car's still in all one piece as far as I can see. Nothing missing off the back.